Alright, previously one of our viewers told us that running the KLX 250 SF without the snorkel makes it run too lean because stock they come from the factory too lean, which I've noticed is true. I haven't seen the glowing red, like the cherry red part, but we're going to do a sound test and drive by without the snorkel. Then we're going to do a video of it putting it back on. Probably order my jet kit today and a some type of slip-on. If any of you viewers out there have any suggestions, let me know, because any help is nice. Definitely needs more power out of this thing and got a D-small, I guess. So go ahead and do a cold start here. It hasn't been started in a few days, but I'll let you guys hear it without the snorkel on. It does add a lot of power though, I noticed that. It has a lot more mid and top. Not a whole lot of bottom though, it kind of seems like it loses it. It has 452 miles on it. Overall though, it's a great bike. I love it. A lot of confidence on it. And again, this is without the snorkel on. It's not rejetted or anything, so we're definitely going to order some type of jet kit and stuff, but it adds a nice note to it. So we're going to do a couple flybys and acceleration, so see what we got. Yeah, it definitely adds a lot more power without the snorkel.